This is page 2 for sort Y37. We're learning about the sound ah and how it has 3 different ways you can spell it. A-W, A-U, and O. Write your name, your number, and tomorrow's due date at the top. Let's read the first word. Dawn. Hear the sound ah in dawn? Dawn means when the is coming up. So dawn is in the morning when the sun is coming up. So if you know what a sunrise is, that is dawn. That time of day we call dawn. So sometimes my mom makes me get up before dawn. So before the sun comes up, you're awake. Then draw a picture. The next word is shawl. Hear the ah sound in shawl. This is a harder one. Alright, thanks to my good friend the internet, here is a picture of a shawl. You can see it goes around the lady's shoulders, and it will just hang open unless she holds it with her hands together. And you almost always put your shawl so that it's open in the front. So here it's open, and in the back it just covers all of her shoulders. And she doesn't have sleeves on, so this help keeps her warm. So let's figure out what a shawl is. It is a cloth that goes around your shoulders and is held together in front with your hand. So go ahead, write your sentence about a shawl. Maybe you know someone who's worn one. And then draw your picture. Alright, this next word is cause. The AU says ah. A cause is the reason something happened. If you do not turn off the water, you cause the bill to go up. Then you can draw a picture. Let me tell you another example of the word cause, because this is a difficult word. If you do not do your homework, it will cause you to get a bad grade. And then whatever your sentence was, draw your picture about it here. Alright, here's the next word. Caught. The AU says ah. Ought. Alright. Caught is a verb, and it's in the past. It is in the present tense, the word is catch. So if you say, yes, I catch the ball, then it would be yesterday I caught the ball. Today I catch a fish. Yesterday I caught a fish. See how that works? So write your sentence, draw your picture. The next word is fault. Fault. We hear that ah sound in there. Fault means an error made by someone. So we probably all know how to say, it's not my fault, it's her fault. It's not my fault, it's his fault. It's not my fault, it's my sister's fault. Okay, but try and think of a longer sentence, like, it was my fault I did not let the dog outside and he pooped inside. Okay, that's a really good sentence. We can all picture it in our heads, and we use the word fault correctly. Now we could draw a picture. The next word is pause. The AU says ah. Pause. The definition for that is to a few seconds. So if I say pause the video, you're going to wait for a few seconds, or you can wait as long as you want to. But Usually it's just a little bit. So, of course, we can say, I had to pause the video so that I could eat dinner. Pause. The next word is sauce. Sauce. A-U says ah again. A sauce is what you use when you cook. It is a liquid used to flavor. If we're using it to cook, we're flavoring foods. So my sentence might be, I think the most famous sauce is spaghetti sauce. Or, I really like to eat fettuccine sauce on my noodles. I like green sauce on my enchiladas. Anything like that. And the last word for page 2 is taught. Taught is the past verb of teach. So I don't say, I teach you page 1 already, because we've already done that. I say, I taught you page 1 already, because taught is in the past. Teach is in the present right now. That's all for page 1. Great job.